Hello, in this video we'll see how to set the text or the content of the reminder message that goes out to the client in a text or SMS. This is your main screen. Click on the settings, and once you click on it, you go here, and in the settings scroll down to the bottom, and here you see the send text reminder for appointment. You can set yes. If you have no selected, just select yes, and then you'll see these options. Here you can decide if you want to send the reminder notification on the day of appointment, or one day before, or both times. And this is where you can set actual content. We have provided 4 items which you can keep, like the name of the staff member from your team who is going to meet the client, what day and what time you have this appointment, and if there is an address associated where the client has to show up, or if there is a court address and anything to do with the address, it will go here. So you do not change these 4 items. You can change anything that is highlighted here, this one or this one, or you can move around and create your own content however you want your client to see the notification or the reminder text. Just keep these 4. If you do not need to show the member of your staff, then you can remove this, but it is good if you keep the date and time and address so that they know what time and where they have to meet, at least. So you can change it. You can put it in Spanish or English or however you want. It is free form. You can keep in any content you want. And this is the content that goes out in a text reminder notification to the client if this is set to yes, and based on when the day of appointment or day before, or both times. And the notification at the time of appointment, when you create the appointment, that time also you can send out a text notification if you select this thing. When you're creating the appointment, if you check this box, only then the text notification goes out. Otherwise email notification will go out. So again, we have 2 places where you can send a text message. When you create the text message, you just decide whether you want to send the text message at the time of creating the appointment or not. And once you create the appointment, the reminders will go out automatically based on one-time setup of this settings that you create. This is only one-time setup, and any appointment that you have in the future, and if this thing is set and the client has the mobile phone number, valid mobile phone number, then the text message goes out. Okay, thank you very much.